Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are healthy and safe at home. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to do letter P. P says purr. P says purr. Before starting book reading, let's have a poem on P. Little Paul Parrot, sat in his garret, eating toast and tea. A little brown mouse, jumped into the house, and stole it all away. So, students, how was the rhyme of parrot? Did you enjoy it? Yes, you must have enjoyed it. So, now let's start book reading. This is letter P. Which letter is this? P. And what is the sound of letter P? P says purr. P says purr. And now let's see the pictures. Wow, what is it? It is a peacock. What is this? Peacock. It's looking so beautiful, right? And it is so colorful also. Do you know peacock is the national bird of our country? Yes, peacock is the national bird of our country. So, okay, now tell me, when we are saying peacock, which sound is coming first? When we are saying peacock, peacock. The sound that is coming first from our mouth is purr. Which sound is coming? Purr. And purr is the sound of which letter? P. Peacock. And now let's see what is it. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's a parrot. And what's her name? What's his name? Paul. Right? It's a Paul parrot. And when we are saying parrot, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is purr. And purr is the sound of which letter? P. Purr parrot. Purr parrot. Now, let's come to the next picture. Which picture is this? It is a picture of a pot. Which picture? Pot. And when we are saying pot, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is purr. And purr is the sound of which letter? P. Purr pot. Purr pot. Okay, now tell me, who is this? She's a girl. And what she is carrying? She is carrying a purse with her. What she is carrying? Purse. And when we are saying purse, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is purr. And purr is the sound of letter P. Purr purse. Purr purse. Now, look, this boy is reading a book. What is he doing? He is reading a book, but he has kept something on the bench. What is it? What is this? It is a pencil, as this one. Look, I have also pencil here, and this boy is also having a pencil. Do you have pencil with you? Yes, you must have, because you do your work. You are such a good children, right? So when we are saying pencil, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is purr. Which sound is coming? Purr. And purr is the sound of which letter? P. Purr pencil. And one more thing is kept here. What is it? It is a pen. Which picture? Pen. And pen starts with which sound? P. And P is the sound of which letter? P. 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 Pen. Now look, what is this? Do you know which picture is this? It is water over here. And what do we call a standing water? We call it a pond. What do we call it? Pond. And when we are saying pond, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is P. And P is the sound of which letter? P. P is the sound of letter P. 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 Pond. And now look, he is a gardener. He is a gardener who takes care of plants, right? Who takes care of plants and he waters them every time. So, where he is giving water? In the plants. Where is he giving water? In plants. And when we are saying plants, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is P. And P is the sound of letter P. 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 Plants. And what is in his hand? This thing. Look this. You all must be having this at home. It is a pipe. What is it? Pipe. And pipe starts with which sound? P. And P is the sound of letter P. 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 Pipe. And look here. What is kept here? What is this? These are peas. Do you like to have peas? Vegetable of peas? Yes. Along with potato and peas, we make a sumptuous vegetable, right? P per potato and P per peas, right? And one more thing I want to show you. What is this? Look, what is it? It is a paper. What is this? Paper. 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 Now let's start how to make letter P. Let's learn it. First we will trace the letter P with our pointer finger. Pointer finger means first finger of your hand. This is my point. Look, this is my hand and I'm closing it. Now this is my pointer finger. Now I'm going to trace it. Standing line. Keep again and make a curve. One time curve. Okay, let's do it again with the help of pencil. Standing line. And make a curve. One time curve. This is letter P. Which letter is this? P. Now let's learn how to trace in the given lines. Start from the red line. Come down till blue line and stop. Don't bring this line down or touch here to the red line. Okay. You have to bring it from red line to blue line. Now make a curve. Like this. Let's do it again. Standing line and make a curve. Now we are going to do it without dots. As I have told you earlier that we are to make a standing line. So I am going to make standing line first. Now we will make a curve like this. Here from red line to blue line, make a curve. Look, it's in between the lines. It is not coming down or inside it. Okay, it should be on the line. I hope you have understood the concept of letter P. What have you learnt here? You have learnt all the pictures related to letter P, its sound and how to make letter P. So this work you are to do it in your notebooks, right? So that's all from my side today. Bye-bye.